Do you know that you can get access to the ChatGPT 4 for your mobile in the dedicated app for free? Microsoft provides Microsoft Copilot, which using ChatGPT 4 as a mobile application that you can download for your Android or iOS device for free. You can immediately start to use it on your mobile device and using generative AI directly on your smartphone. And this access is totally free. You don't have to use your credit card. The only thing you need to do is to download app and start to use ChatGPT 4 for free, in this case called Microsoft Copilot. As always, at this point I want to ask you to support this channel. If you will like this video, please leave the thumbs up, and if you want to get notifications about the new videos, please subscribe. The only thing you need to do is to use these QR codes for Android and for iOS to open the App Store and to download the application to your smartphone. The application is free. It's using Bing Chat. That is implementation of the ChatGPT provided by Microsoft, and it's available for free. One comment about that, it is Bing Chat, not Bing Chat Enterprise, but it is called Microsoft Copilot. So you should assume at this moment the data you will use in the application will be shared in the Microsoft, not as it is done in the Bing Chat Enterprise where your data is secured. This is one thing worth to remember. But let's move to the application and let's see how you can use ChatGPT for free on your smartphone without any additional costs. Microsoft Copilot is the implementation of the ChatGPT provided by Microsoft to your smartphone for free. You don't have to buy this solution. The only thing you need to is to download it, and immediately you get the access to the GPT 3.5 functionality, or you can extend it to the more creative and interesting version ChatGPT 4. In this case, you can use multiple ways to communicate with the chat. You can use the keyboard, you can use the camera, or to dictate something to create the prompt. Copilot: I'm traveling to Milan in February. Could you advise what kind of home matches of Inter Milan I can watch there? And you can use your microphone in the phone to ask ChatGPT or Copilot to give you some kind of advice how you can improve your travel to Milan. And in the moment you get the list of all home matches of Inter Milan in February. Copilot, could you advise how I can buy tickets for the match with Salernitana? And you can use Copilot also to book some tickets. Because Bing Chat is used, it will search through the website for the possibilities how you can buy the tickets for this event. And after the moment you will get the links to all places where it is possible to buy the tickets for that kind of event. Moreover, you have detailed references from where this information is taken from. Remember, in such a request sometimes there will be also ads presented in here because this is free version provided by Microsoft as a part of the Bing Chat service. So let's see how Copilot will work in case of using the keyboard. So you can just text the question for the Microsoft Copilot, which will again dig in to large language model, dig in through the internet and deliver you some kind of recommendation. And you can get interesting travel plan for the additional sightseeing activities across Milan. You get the access to TripAdvisor, plus references to the sources of this guidance. This is super useful. This is super fast AI assistant that could speed up your work. Moreover, maybe you have the picture of the product that you want to buy. Let's try it. So we uploaded the picture of the Inter Milan blouse and we will ask Copilot if we can buy something like that in the internet. And even if you misspell the wording, ChatGPT will recognize it and will advise you where to buy that kind of product. You can see how detailed this picture is analyzed and described in the chat. And here you have the ad added to the search results we have here and the places where you can buy that kind of blouse to wear it for that kind of event. So in the end, let's try to generate some image of the happy Inter Milan fan. Because ChatGPT 4 also include the integration with DALL-E, Copilot will give you the possibility to generate the picture, and this is also included as a part of this free service. Yeah, we are done. We have the picture of our Inter Milan fans happy on the stadium. We have the planned travel directly to Milan, and you can see how easy it is to use ChatGPT, which is part of Microsoft Copilot for mobile. Remember, the app is available for free. It's pretty cool application. I highly recommend you to install it on your smartphone and play with it. I hope this video was helpful for you and you already installed the Microsoft Copilot application on your smartphone and using the goodness of the ChatGPT 4 for free. Personally, I am already using this application, and frankly the scenario I was showing is exactly the element I used to plan my holiday. If you are interested about using generative AI, check other videos on this channel. You will find a lot of topics around Copilot. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.